right, let's see what we've got here. I think it's going to be pretty. These little tiny ones usually are pretty awesome. Oh, okay. So this is sort of sub-related because I do use quail eggs in one of my soap. I decided it would be a good idea to get a pair of quail scissors. So these are for cutting quail eggs. And I think, now, I don't know how this works. I'll have to figure that out. But basically, you just snip. I don't know. I don't think I got the right kind. Anyway, we'll put it in my little tool drawer. That's not a quail egg thing. I don't know. I got a pair of scissors tong things. If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe. Sometimes it just goes too long and I can't remember what it was I bought it for. Anyway, bye for now.